guys, it's Cam and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a video talking about my favorite Kerastase products, and I actually just recorded this and realized that I didn't have any sound on, so I kind of need to do everything all over. So here it goes. Anyway, I know that Kerastase is a little bit of a bougie brand. Not everyone is going to find their products affordable, but I do feel like the difference between buying something that's higher end and buying cheaper hair products is that higher end products tend to not weigh your hair down, not leave it with residue, and really have a cumulative effect in repairing your hair, whereas a lot of cheaper products will build up residue and just kind of dull your hair down, make it feel icky, like it has something in it. And so that's why I basically completely stopped buying drugstore brands when it comes to my hair. But because Kerastase is a little more on the expensive side, I wanted to do a video telling you about all my favorite products so you could see what's worth buying, what to pass on, and what I feel like are the best kind of introductory things just to try the brand out. And so I'm gonna look for all these products online and link them down below in the description box. And some of these you may have seen in my everyday hair care routine, which I'm gonna link for you up here. But some of these products I don't use every day, and some of them I just kind of have in rotation. So I'll tell you a little bit about that. And if it's your first time here at my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I currently have my how-to makeup series going on, so you definitely don't want to miss that. So subscribe, and I'm also going to link those videos up here for you. And if you're already a fan of Kerastase products, then you know exactly what I'm talking about with how good all these are. So make sure to hit that like button down below as well. Alright, so let's get started. First off, I wanted to talk about the Kerastase Elixir Ultime Hair Oil. And so I actually have the Imperial version, which is for color treated hair. The regular one is gold, and the green one is for damaged hair, and so it has some extra protein in it. But I think that if you're gonna buy the original, you might as well get this because this also has a UV filter in it. And so it's great for whether your hair is color treated or not, just to help protect it from the sun. And I really think that this oil is the very first product that you should try from Kerastase, regardless of your hair type, condition, color, whatever. I've tried a lot of hair oils in my time, and a lot of them just sit on the hair or are too light to really make a difference in the hair. And what I found with this oil is that not only is it really moisturizing, it never leaves any residue. So when I put it in my hair, and I'm actually going to show you this. So even for my length of hair, I generally only do about one pump. And I'm just going to spread this through my hair, and so you'll see that it gives it an instant shine, and it just makes it really silky, smooth. It helps me be able to run my fingers through my hair, but it's not going to weigh my hair down. And even after I put it in, you'll see that it absorbs within a matter of minutes and just leaves the hair with a really nice shine. And another great bonus is that this oil is so beautifully fragranced that it just smells like the most luxurious perfume. So whenever I put this in my hair, I don't even wear perfume on these days because it's almost like putting on a perfume. And as you can see, my hair is not greasy, but it is just getting shinier, and it just feels so soft. And you can put this in dry hair or damp hair as a leave-in. It's just absolutely amazing. And so there you go, nice shiny moisturized hair with no buildup. And I think this product probably ties for my favorite product with this next one that I'm going to talk about, but I really do think that this is just amazing for universal hair types. And it does have a blend of oils, argan oil, camellia oil, stuff like that. And it also has silicones, which you might want to pass if you're looking for something silicone free, but personally I really like silicones because I feel like they just do a great job spreading product through the hair. And whenever I've used silicone free oils, that's when I feel like they get really heavy and they just leave me feeling really, really greasy. So the silicone kind of does a nice job with making it spreadable and not leaving me looking like a grease ball. And so the next product, which as I said is kind of like a tie for my favorite, is the Incroyable Blowdry, which translates to the Incredible Blowdry. And so this is a blow-dry lotion / heat protectant. It can be used for both. And this is a light lotion, but they also have a version where it's like a heavier cream, but I haven't felt the need to use this because with my hair type, this works wonderfully, and I don't feel like I need anything heavier, but if you do have thicker hair, you might want to try that one. As far as heat protectants go, this is the best one that I've ever tried, and I've been looking far and wide at all sorts of products. Some of them I feel like just don't protect my hair enough, and others kind of like leave my hair feeling sticky or unmanageable. And the amazing thing that this product does that I noticed is whenever I put it in my hair, it kind of like seals my hair and vacuums it together. It feels like anti-staticky, anti-frizzy, and just makes it like really smooth and sleek. I keep having to repurchase this because seriously, it's amazing. I'm trying to use other heat protectants on off days or whatever, and I keep coming back to this because nothing makes my hair feel like this. It really does protect from frizz. When I don't use this, I feel like my split ends get worse and my hair is a little less manageable, but with this, I always have a great hair day. And so I definitely also recommend this for all hair types, especially if you're like me where your hair is color treated or you just heat style it after every wash, then you definitely want to try this. And so sticking to the theme of products that I feel like could work on every single hair type, this is the Masque Chroma Riche. And as you may notice, this is a travel size along with this. So Kerastase does put out a lot of travel sizes, which is also a great way to try their products out. But this mask is really nice. It's from the Reflection line, which is for color treated hair. Basically, like all their color treated products really just include a UV filter, which you want to have UV protection from your hair, whether you color it or not, because the sun's rays are damaging to both your skin and your hair. This mask is really nice, moisturizing. It has vitamin E in it. It does have silicones, but personally for me, it is a little bit too light on its own, so usually I layer it on top of another mask because I just feel like I need like a little more weight to my hair. If you have normal hair to slightly dry hair, then you're gonna love this. It also has a great smell, and it definitely doesn't weigh your hair down. It just makes it feel nice, silky, and moisturized. And so personally for me, I love like really heavy moisturizing products, which is why I love this next one, the Oleo Relax Slim Mask. Now this is discontinued, but it is part of the Nutritive line, so you can get comparable results from the Masquintense, and I've used the thick one of the two variations for thin and thick hair, and also the Masque Magistral. The thing with this one is that it's really good at anti-frizz and anti-humidity protection, and so I'm kind of saving what I have left of this for the summer because that's really when my hair needs it. But basically either of these three masks, like you can't go wrong with. They're really moisturizing, especially if you have slightly to very damaged hair. They're gonna add a lot of moisture and just make your hair feel really, really silky. But they also, especially the Masquintense and the Masque Magistral, just kind of leave your hair feeling like fluffy and soft, where this will weigh it down a little bit more, but that's definitely what I look for, especially on very humid days. And so this has ceramides and a bunch of oils in it. It's just really moisturizing and great, and of course, because it's one of my favorites, Kerastase had to go and discontinue it, so I'm trying to snatch up whatever I can find online of these. If I do happen to find it, I'll link it for you. But this mask is amazing. I'm also going to link the other two from the Nutritive collection that I've tried that I love, because I just feel like their masks are really great for moisturizing without weighing your hair down as well. And so these two products, I don't recommend for everyone. I only recommend it if you have very damaged, porous hair that has a lot of breakage and you just really want it to be, you know, strong, resilient, and shiny. And this is the Resistance Therapiste mask. And of all the protein masks that I found, this is one of the only ones that like really makes your hair feel strong, but not like stiff and feeling like hay, because a lot of protein masks do have that effect, and you definitely have to use something moisturizing after them. But with this one you don't. You can use this on its own, and it both strengthens and moisturizes your hair. This is for very damaged hair. If you have finer hair, it may weigh it down, but I definitely recommend giving it a try if you've been struggling with damaged hair. And so this is the Serum Therapiste. And this is also an amazing product, but I feel like there's not much in this little bottle. I generally only use about a pump of it at a time, and I use this as a leave-in on damp hair, and I try to save it for when my hair is feeling like especially fried, and I just feel like it really needs smoothness and some strength to it, and one pump is enough for your hair. Like, this is really heavy stuff. I know that there's a dupe at Sally's for this, but I'm not sure how good it is because I haven't tried it. and I want to see if it's as good as this or not. So I will let you know later, but for now, I really love this product. Again, I don't feel like you need to get this unless your hair has a lot of breakage and is really damaged, but this is definitely gonna work wonders for saving it. In this range, like this deep blue range, they also have a shampoo, which I've tried, and that one has sulfates in it, but it also like barely lathers and kind of leaves your hair feeling quite weighed down. So I think that if your hair is like super fragile, like you just bleached it to like an inch of its life, and you really need a heavy duty shampoo, then I feel like that one's not bad. But for me, it just weighed my hair down too much. And so I definitely recommend the shampoos that are in the Nutritive line, like the Bane Satin 1 or Bane Satin 2. Those are great for just like all hair types. And especially for something like a shampoo where you use it very frequently, you don't want to have something with protein in it all the time because your hair is just going to get over proteinized. So I definitely recommend their moisturizing shampoos, which are in the Nutritive range. And then this is kind of a bonus item because again, it's discontinued. This is the Huile Celeste. And I don't know if you can see this, but it has like these shimmering gold particles in it. And this just leaves your hair feeling really nice and moisturized. It is a dry oil with a UV filter in it. It was part of their Soleil collection, which is for sun protection. And this does have macadamia oil in it, but it really does feel like a dry oil, so it doesn't weigh your hair down. This has left my hair the shiniest that it's ever been. And so this is the only bottle I have. I'm really trying to use it sparingly. I just put 1 pump of this in my hands, spread it through my hair, and it literally transforms my hair. Like on the worst hair days, it makes it into a good hair day. So that's kind of what I try saving this for. So Kerastase, if you ever see this, seriously, can you please bring this back because I will buy like 20 bottles of this. I'm not even kidding you. This is like my favorite thing in the world. And I've never tried another dry hair oil that was quite as amazing as this. But again, it's discontinued, so if I do find something that is comparable, I will let you know. If you can ever get your hands on this, then seriously, this is amazing. And so I did touch a little bit on the Resistance Therapiste shampoo, which wasn't exactly my favorite, but I still recommend for certain hair types. Again, if your hair is just fragile and you feel like by washing it, it's gonna break off, then that's a good shampoo. But I would say that probably my least favorite Kerastase products would be from their Discipline range, which I was actually really excited about when it came out because I love all things anti-frizz, anti-humidity. I have like a really huge problem with frizz in the summer and my hair just poofing up. So I was really excited about that line, but I feel like it didn't really do much for my frizz and it didn't strengthen my hair. It didn't really moisturize it. It was just meh. So I don't think that their Discipline line is worth a splurge. I did try the shampoo and the mask from that, and yeah, I just didn't really feel like it made much of a difference in my hair. Unlike these other products that I absolutely recommend. And so that's it, we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm gonna link all these products down in the description box for you if I can hopefully find them. And I will also be linking my hair care routine up for you if you wanna see what other brands and products I incorporate in taking care of my hair. Also, make sure to subscribe because I do have my how-to makeup series going on right now, which I'm also going to link some videos from that up here for you. You don't want to miss that. It is super comprehensive and you're going to learn a lot from it, so you definitely want to check that out. And so if you like this video, hit that like button down below for me and leave me a comment as to which of these Kerastase products sounds the best to you, or if you already use them, which other ones I should try, because I obviously haven't tried everything from the brand. So let me know which ones you guys recommend, and maybe I'll even do a review on them in the future. And if you're still sticking around, here's 2 more videos by me you can check out. And then click on my face right here and it'll subscribe you to my channel so you don't miss out on all of my upcoming videos. I love you all so much. Mwah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.